Yo, yo, I'm bringing y'all something different today. So today we're going to do a little back testing session. Give y'all a little review of my 70% win rate, my ATM model. Just gonna walk y'all through it real quick. Do a couple examples, and I'm gonna be off this bit. And let me know if y'all enjoy this shit or not. So I give y'all some more. But boom, we just reacted off this hourly Sibby. Hourly Sibby. So looking like our next target would be these lows down here. I usually mark out the consequent encroachment of these wicks, these super long wicks, are signs of rejection. So I can see us bouncing off of this 15-minute BISI. So we have that right there. So boom, and we also have this low right here. So depending how we react off of this low will tell me if we're gonna continue to go lower to take out these lows or just bounce off of this 15-hour BISI. So boom, looking at ES. What is ES doing? And Q selling off, and then ES is still kind of like trading a little higher. We came and swept this high, creating an SMT. So we have this SMT up here. If we can get this closure below, if we create this 5-minute inversion right here, then I'll take it. So I'm gonna just wait for this closure below. You see, so no inversion right here. Boom. Got that reaction like I was anticipating perfectly, but no entry yet. No entry yet, so we just gotta stay and be patient. Stay patient. What else will we? We're reacting off to this 15, but nothing yet. Let me see. So boom. Let me take a shot at this long right here. Boom. We got tagged in. Now let's see what happens. Break even once we take out this high. Okay, so we got stopped out. That's fine. I'll take that. Bias. Oh, okay. It's one of them days. It's definitely one of them days. Oh yeah, it's one of them days. Like I can't do nothing about this. Stop me out and go straight to my draw on liquidity, which is cool. Definitely can't do nothing about that. So boom. Next example. Just gonna do a couple of these. Usually start at 9:14 and then fast forward to 9:29. And then that's when I decide what I want to do for the day, for that morning. So we're trading inside of this 4-hour BTC. We swept this low. And we closed below it. Okay, so let's see. Boom. What's ES doing? ES has not taken out this low yet, so this is our next target for ES. Now I'm anticipating that we just bounce off of this and continue to go higher. But it looked like we are a little bit overextended, no pullback. So this leg right here, just full expansion. I'm anticipating we just rebalance this equilibrium with this range right here. So just drop down to the 15. The 15-minute is literally my best friend. So this is this is really the main time frame that I stay on. My next target will be this low right there. So boom, check out these lows right here. Internal low. Can we get this inverse right here? We're gonna see. So boom, let this play out a little bit. Always gotta take the higher time frame IFVG. I do like this 5 minute though. I do like this 5 minute order block. The CISD candle. Okay. And take a shot at long over here. Target these highs. Boom. Look like we are about to inverse this 15 minute. Should If we can get this inverse, I'm taking it. I'm taking us to this 15 minute. Boom. Whichever one gets filled first. It looks like NQ or ES is already finna run to TP with no entry, which is cool. Ran straight to TP, just no entry, no entry type of day. I'll take it. I'm cool with that. We don't always get our entries sometimes, but bias was correct. Good to see this play out as I was anticipating. So boom, we'll take that. This could have been a 5 minute entry right here. 5 minute order block. Just with how aggressive we were pushing up, this could have been an entry. Boom. That would have worked. But I was anticipating that we come back down here, but which is cool. No entry, but correct draw liquidity, which is all that matters. As long as my draw is correct, I don't care about anything else, to be honest. So going to the next day. Like this model is so simple and straightforward, honestly. I done refined this to the point where it's like step by step with a little bit of discretion, of course. Like we're trading, you need some type of discretion. You can't just pattern trade all the time. I'm looking at this 50 minute, which is holding up, so which is making me think that we are still bullish and want to go higher. Zoom out a little bit. We are still in this 15 minutes. So let's see, drop down to the 5 minute. Do we have anything on the 5 minute? Uh, I'm gonna give it some time. I'm gonna let price print some more before I take a trade. Yep, I figured we sweep out this low manipulation, close above here, go long. Boom. Gotta wait for the closure above. see, bro. We do have this soup right here, so let me see. Ah, I missed that entry. Fuck. Okay, this was bread and butter, no cap. That's literally what I was watching, bro. It's all good. It's all good. It's just it. This is perfect right here. Is this 15-minute right here? This balanced price range. So boom. I'm kind of just flying through this, to be honest, but like I said, my model is pretty straightforward. 4 minute into the open, we still have enough time left to catch another entry. But this would have been the most ideal. Not the most ideal, but like, off rip right at open. This could have been a trade. Draw liquidity obviously lower. Boom. CISD. But I still think we push lower by the way of, this volatility right here. Let me see, do we have anything? Nope, we don't have anything yet. Let's just let this play out. Okay, rejection. Really high rejection. We obviously don't want to push lower with this type of rejection. So let me see. We might just come back for another entry. I think we're coming back for another entry. Maybe this right here, potentially this entry, and taking out this low. This is still holding up though. So let me see. Let's take a shot at this. There we go. It's this reaction usually. So we reacted right off this 15-minute. Price is telling me that we want to push higher. So, and that's exactly what we did. We reacted off this 15-minute and then targeted this high right here. So this was our draw, but I only targeted the bodies because how big they were. Yeah, you see, and we usually this happens. we hit the body and then we reject. So the bodies of the candles are definitely a reaction point. I never want to get too greedy. This was already a 4R, so take what I can get and then walk away with it. Don't get too greedy. Don't try to target the wicks. Nah, most of the times, a lot of the times, price trades to the bodies, and then we just reverse and don't even make it to the wick. I've seen it happen plenty of times, so that's why I've learned. I've seen it enough times to know that okay, price will. There's a chance that price won't trade to the wick. All right, next example. Okay, what are we reacting off of? So we just took out this high, still bullish. Okay, hourly high. This is pre-market. Drop down to the 15 minute. Do we have anything on the 15? Okay, so this look like it will be a continuation trade, but let's let we gotta let price play out a little bit more so we can know exactly what we're doing here. Drop down to lower time frame. Boom. Okay, I could definitely see us still going higher. We have this 5 minute order block down here, but I wanna let me see. So boom, this right here could be a trade. Could be a trade targeting 2Rs, which I usually target. Give me 2R, call it a day. Boom. Little continuation trade. Boom. Just like that. Like this is so free. You saw how like this is so free. Low continuation trade. That's all you need, man. For continuation trades, like are the easiest. You just look for 5 15 minute order blocks and you're good. Boom. So we literally just okay, we just like right through that. And that's really all you need for continuation. Like continuation days are my favorite because that's how easy it is. You guys just saw how easy that just was. It took me like what, bro, like 59 seconds into the market open. I'm already up what like 1,500. Hey, come on. And then I'm done for the day. I really don't even need to look at the chart for the rest of the day. It was here as well. Boom, 5 minute order block. Let me see what we do. What do we do from here? Let me see. Sell off. We have this boom. So we have this right here. I'm not gonna take it, but we could see a little pullback if this 15 minute continues to hold up. Okay. Let me see. Did that hold up? No, 5 minute held up. Boom. This was the trade in itself right here. So boom, this right here. Stop loss up here. Targeting the bodies. This was another 3R trades. Like, do you guys see my risk to reward? Bro, it ranges from like the minimum is 2R. My minimum is 2R, and sometimes I get 4, 3, and I have a 70% win rate. Really like 68, but we just gonna say 70. But like, come on, man. And this is already another trade in itself, targeting these bodies, or you could just target CE of this wick. But me, I would have just target this body down here. Like, boom. This would have been 3.78. Come on. 3.78 risking 750 on a 150K account. That's cheese. and that's really all I need. And and this still held up. Like boom, like here we go. And then we us come on. Like it's there, man. Like I really dedicated so much time to this shit, bro. But on to the last day. Let's see if we can get a TGIF. TGIF, boom. Okay, so for TGIF days, usually start on the daily. See what we were doing before, you know what I'm saying? So okay, maybe boom. Okay, drop down to the 4 hour. What's happening on the 4 hour? Ran through this 4 hour. Ran through this daily. So I'm just looking. Drop down to the 1 hour. Next target could potentially be this high right here. So looks like we're trading towards that. And now we're just gonna have to find a trade. That's boom. That's lined up with this drawn liquidity. That's gonna take us there. So drop down to the 15. Do we see anything? Trading, respecting this 15-minute busy. Drop down even lower, 5 minute. But I think let me see. So we do have a lot of fair value gaps. So I'm gonna be a little careful with this one. So boom, let this play out a little bit more before I take anything. So 15, this 15 minutes being respected. Let's see if we can hold it and not run through. Okay, we ran through that, so that's telling me we're not quite ready to go yet. So we still have some business to do down here to take care of. So boom, we're about to sweep these lows. Next target will be this low down here. Ran through that reaction. Okay, so that reaction, if this body closes above inside of this 15-minute bid seed, we're going higher. If it doesn't, then we're gonna come take out these lows. But let's see. Boom. That reaction still inside, so we want to go higher. We can go higher, but there's no entry though. So it's one of them days we just gotta let price print. Like look at the wicks, look at the bodies. Anything on the 3 minute? No, nothing. Just risk to reward, not it at all. Can we respect this 5 minute? Let's see. So boom. Anything? No. Okay, so we just bullshitting. Okay. Okay, so we do have this 15-minute busy. 15-minute busy, 5 minute order block type. But I'm gonna wait for this candle though. Let's see where we close at. Okay, so boom. Take a shot at this. Little quick trade to get off for the day. Just like that. Just like that, my nigga. Just fucking like that, bro. What I tell y'all? I really do this shit, but shit. Yeah, I'm done. So this was the last trade for the day. I told you, longs targeting this high up here. Come on. Like, I didn't want to be too greedy, but I got my piece of the pie. But yeah, let me know if you guys want me to go like a little bit more in depth with these, a little more in depth with these back testing sessions. Like break it down a little more. This one was kind of rushed and sped up a little bit. I kind of rushed through it, but like this is what I'm saying, this is what's possible. Like I really like study this shit for. I refined it to my liking. I really made this strategy really easy. Like a little, it's a couple steps, like 3 steps with some discretion, but it's pretty easy. Like I could teach this to my little brother. But yeah, let me know if you guys want a more in depth kind of back testing sesh with more, going over the candles and explaining it even more. But yeah, let me know if y'all want to see more of these though. But shit, different type of video. Let me know if y'all fucking with it.